Today, we're going to be using TD Ameritrade's mobile app to buy some stocks. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is follow along here, where I'm going to be using the mobile app in real time. All right, so the first thing you want to do is move over from the dashboard over to where it says trade. You'll notice it's trade. It has two arrows pointing towards one another. We're going to go ahead and click that guy. Okay, so from here, you are going to find the stock that you would like to purchase. For this instance, we're going to go ahead and click on Delta, which is DAL. From there, you'll see a bunch of different options, which can seem a little intimidating at first, but bear with me and we'll get through it together. So the first thing we want to do is click the buy action and the limit action, which are already set on there. The next thing we're going to want to do is select the quantity of stocks we wish to purchase. You're going to want to be very careful here and make sure that you click the number that you actually want. And for this case, we're going to say 1 and not 100 as it just popped up. As you can see, you do not want to purchase 100 stocks probably right away. And then we're going to go through everything else to make sure that it looks right. The price is $26.08, day for the expiration. And if we think it all looks right, we're going to go ahead and hit review order. Once you're on the screen, you're going to want to make sure that you see through everything, make sure everything looks right. And from there, if everything looks right, we're going to go ahead and hit place order. And because TD Ameritrade is very secure, we have to go ahead and make sure to enter our password here. All right, and then from there, our order is completed. However, you'll see an error committing trade here, which is because I deposited my money on a Sunday. And you always want to make sure to deposit your money ahead of time so you don't do what I just did. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to sell a stock through the TD Ameritrade mobile app. And for that, we're going to have you click right over here.